on top like once you come, let's switch positions. I told you I'm off for you, baby, but you still don't wanna listen. I'm giving you game, I'm telling you stack your bread, no bad decisions.
Alright, y'all. We back in the motherfucking car. We got the boys with us, Driggs and Gary, and an OG M2 manual, and an X3M, as you guys know. We're about to go hit some of these back roads, and we're gonna see what it's talking about, man. So, yeah, we're gonna, I don't know. I have the 360 going, so maybe I'll throw some of that shit up there. All right. Yeah, so there's the cop at CVS.
Lady, get the fuck out my way.
I mean, I bet you could all just pass her up on this. This is a really long straight ahead. I don't know what type of timing Gary's on, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to just, like, start free bagging. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be fun. This is a good section. You just can go straight at the intersection. Why do they think they should take up the whole road? Damn. Yeah, that shit sounds crazy. Oh wow, that handles so Damn, you hear that, bitch? Bro, it sounds fucking nuts, bro. This is such an aesthetic place, bro. Dude, the burbles. Dude, it sounds insane right now. Bro, the burbles sound really good. Also with the back being open, bro. You can hear the pops. Definitely, like, really well. Bro. That's funny. I think all of them gonna make it. Yeah, he will. He's in an M2, man. Or maybe not Striggs, maybe. I don't know. I only know straight. Alright, but we'll just go straight. I think also, like, upon those back roads even more is, like, terrible. Like, I don't know if the roads actually got fucking left. Bro, I want to hear how Striggs shit sounds in, like, the woods in this area, bro. Yeah, man. It probably sounds fucking crazy. Like, I know. You hear all the rocks, bro. Like, fucking spinning. Okay. Just fucking silently rage at everybody. We're going right here? Yeah. If you want to go to the woods, yeah. Oh, shit. I hit that. Damn! Striggs is getting fucked. Damn. Oh. Nah, Gary's a fucking driver, bro. This thing's burbling OD. Yeah, no, isn't that insane? Jeez. Hey! Fuck! My so fuck! We'll stop up here. Yeah, we can keep going now. There's the other ones. Oh, like in the gravel lot? Or the bridge. Dude, this thing handles crazy. Oh, he drifted out. That's crazy. Should we go to this lot right here? Yeah, go to this lot because that's the dirtiest. We gotta get flybys. Like Gary and I gotta rip together or something. Shit, boy! That was kick, man. Kick, man. Yeah.
Bro, that video I got was sick.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie.
If he's ripping behind him or
Bro, this thing looks way too sexy on camera, bro.
If I saw this thing, I would chase it to
Right. There goes the other one. We're fine.
Still looks good, yeah.
He's fun.
Okay.
Front on mountain takes, that would have sounded crazy.
Oh damn, you got
Truck
the
line! Truck line!
That thing does off-road. What the hell? This shit is literally just like an older version of mine.
Y'all are nuts.
Bro, manual would be so much fun, bro. Can you imagine just
Jeez. Bro, it is.
like, it's fucking crazy. Bro, this shit looks, it's so cake back here. We gotta like, next warm day, you guys gotta come over. We'll get the CLS here. And
Yeah, right.
No,
Fucking
we will, bro.
Piece
Shut
of
up.
shit.
And we'll jack the cars up, clean them really good. Like, look at all these rocks, dude.
Oh,
Nice. Rolls the fender.
fender delete.
Reverse rolls the fender. Fuck, dude, we might have to jack it.
That boy's big ass, they're leg in the way, boy.
Go get your phone. There we go. Now I can.
But with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. We're gonna go ahead, hop into recording the next one soon. I'm not sure when we're all gonna link up again, but yeah, y'all just stay out on the lookout for that. And yeah, I'm very excited. So appreciate you guys, and catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for all the support. We hit over 1,700 subscribers. Very, very thankful, and I'm ready to just go ahead and hit these crazy numbers, man. Not that this isn't a crazy number, but you guys know what I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Take it easy. Peace.